Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about marketing and business so that you can grow your business and increase your profits. Today I'm starting a new series. It's a series on the learnmoney.io playlist. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. On the learnmoney.io playlist, I talk about financial aspects, financial business aspects, and also making money online, investing, and so on. So it's a different stream of content. Today we're looking at crypto. Today's title is how to buy crypto with Binance. So I'm going to switch from this view, sort of webcamish view, to on screen, and I'll walk you through it, and then I'll come and wrap up at the end. I have now switched to the screen recording view, and you can see that I've opened a website called Binance.com. Binance.com is a cryptocurrency exchange. You'll need a cryptocurrency exchange to buy and sell cryptocurrency, so whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or one of the many other altcoins available. So my recommendation is that first of all you register for Binance.com. You might, just before we click on that, and I'll take you through the process, I'll explain why I picked Binance.com rather than any of the other cryptocurrency exchanges. Number one, it has lower fees than other cryptocurrency exchanges. I have experience with another one called Coinbase, which is very well known, but they have higher fees for transactions. So Binance is advantageous, is better than Coinbase in terms of the fees that they charge. Secondly, Binance has a wider range of cryptocurrencies available that you can trade, buy and sell on their platform. Some cryptocurrency exchanges only have a few limited number of cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell. So those are two reasons why I chose Binance. As you know, this is a video for entertainment purposes. It's not financial advice. You must bear that in mind. Anything that I take you through in terms of a process or a procedure or an investment, that's purely for entertainment. You must make up your own, you must do your own research and make up your own financial decisions. It's your money that you are putting at risk at any stage of the process. Okay, so here we go. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies in minutes. Click on this, register now. So you click on register now. I've got an account, so it's going to ask me where I live. I'm going to confirm. Let's confirm I'm in the United Kingdom, because I am in the United Kingdom. Oh, I've got unlock your prize. Complete the steps to create your account and unlock a prize. Well, that sounds good. Okay, so I'm going to create an account. So create a personal account. It's not a business account, so I'll create a personal account. Click here. Okay, click on it. So you clicked on the personal account. Let's move my box down here slightly so you can see the processes. Email verification, enter phone number, phone verification. So I would enter an email there, create a password, and then agree to those terms. Click on next. On the right, you can see the process. So I need to submit an email, create a password, and then agree to share for marketing purposes, or decide which of these two statements I agree with, and then click next. And then they'll send an email to the email that I've allocated for the account. I'll click on confirm. I can't do that now because I've already signed up for Binance, so I'm not going to re-register with the same address and so on and so forth. But that's what you'll do. You'll submit your email, the email verification, confirm that. Then you'll enter your phone number and then phone verification, and you'll get a message that you need to just respond to. And after that, you will have created an account. So that didn't take very long. There is another stage, which is for full verification. And full verification requires you to submit official documentation from the government. So what I mean by that is either a driver's license or a passport, and you can submit that information via the Binance app. So the Binance app is on Android and also on iOS, and once you've downloaded the app, you can take a picture of the relevant pages of your passport or your driver's license, front and back, submit those. They will do some checks, and then they'll confirm that you're fully verified to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance. And it's a very simple and quick process. And once you've done that, and I can't do it again because obviously I'm already a customer of theirs, once you do that, you'll be able to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Binance. Let me just show you, I mentioned that there's a large range of cryptocurrencies, so you can see obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum there, Phantom, Polkadot, and Luna, Solana. You can see their movement within 24 hours, of course. And in another video, I'm going to talk about another source of information for the progress of different cryptocurrencies, but I'll do that in another video. But I wanted to show you this. If you look at the view more markets, so those are some of the cryptocurrencies you can buy and sell on Binance. Let's click here and it will show me some more currencies you can buy. And let's scroll down, you can see here more. So there's more. Dogecoin was popular in the news a few months ago, but I wanted to show you this. They got 19 pages of cryptocurrencies, and not all cryptocurrency exchanges have that much variety for you to invest in. Obviously subject to you doing your research and being very impressed by the projects in particular. So there's lots and lots of cryptocurrencies. This is my preferred cryptocurrency exchange for the reasons I mentioned, and I'll just recap those. Lower fees and a wider range of cryptocurrencies available. So that's how I would suggest that you start to buy and sell crypto. There's a link in the first line of the description. We will take you to Binance, so you can start the process that I've just shown you. And you can set yourself up and have an account on Binance and be in a position to make investments in cryptocurrency if that's the way you want to go forward. Thanks for watching. I'm going to hand back to the mic version that's in webcam mode and just wrap up. Thanks for watching all the way through. I hope you found that helpful. So if you're new to cryptocurrency investing, and it is one of your objectives for 2022 to get involved in cryptocurrency, you can follow the quick steps that I showed with the sort of on-screen demo, register for Binance, and then start to make some very simple trades there. Remember the reasons I gave for choosing Binance over other cryptocurrency exchanges. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, found it helpful, give me a like. Click on one or two screenshots to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Till next time, bye bye.